Okay, I'm in my Cadillac, and as you can see, we're looking at my rearview mirror, and somebody had asked, how do you turn this thing off? Well, I'm assuming that he can't see where you can turn it off, but if you notice there, it says off. And all you have to do is move the lever. There's a little lever here. Say off or on. Off. Okay, want to make sure it's off. And how you know, back up a little bit here. So if you turn your key on, and if you notice there on the upper corner there's a little dark square. And what you're going to do is if you turn it on, at night mostly. Let's see if it's on now. There it is. Okay, you're going to get some direction there. Okay, so once you turn it off, you know, you can turn it off to where you just want the light off and the rear view mirror, the dimmer, will work. But if you want it completely off, again, okay, if you want it completely off, just, you know, turn it off there, and then that goes off. I wanted to also show you this really quick. If you look at my key, look at my key. It doesn't have, it's not a Vats key. If you want to know how to do that, check out my other videos, and I'll show you how to bypass your Vats key.